Greetings, fam. You got to understand, in gardening, sometimes you got to cut to keep on growing. When things don't work out, you got to keep on growing. Sometimes you got to cut to promote growth. So understand this. Today, we're going to talk about our successes where it comes to a point where I had to cut to keep on growing. So let's grow together. Let's go. Grow. Yep, you did it again. You clicked on another video. Thank you so much. Well, I know you're ready to grow, so let's get started and let's go. Grow, eco neighbor. Grow, 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 eco neighbor. Grow, 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 eco neighbor. Grow, 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 eco neighbor.
Greetings, Grow family. I just wanted to share with you how I did a test. You know, Lead has showed me quite a few things, and I just been doing a lot of research. I've grown banana trees for quite some time, and I never noticed that some of them I trim and some of them I don't. But what I did a test. So here's a pup that I planted early, maybe late spring. But I'm going to show you 3 other pups. Some of them was a little bit taller than the other ones. They were basically the same size. But I'm going to show you by me just trimming them instead of letting them grow. Today I just trimmed this one because I'm sick of it. Look how low it is. It's probably about a good foot tall, maybe a foot and a half. But let me show you the sister. The sister plant is this tall. Come on. I mean, same time. It might have been maybe 1 or 2 inches taller, but just trimming it. Just trimming the leaves, it transformed it. Let me show you another one. All these came from the same main plant. Same main plant. Look at this one right here. This one right here, same plant. Look at it. Look how much taller it is. That was pretty much the same size as the other one. But it just goes to show, if you just trim it and let it grow, it's gonna grow taller. So what I started doing, I said, hey, if that applies to a piece of grass, which is a banana tree, I started doing my palm trees. I'm watching my palm tree just grow and grow and grow. Just by trimming it, keeping it trimmed. When it's bushy, it grows slow. But when it actually is trimmed, it grows fast. So, LeadFarmer 73, thank you so much for giving me that insight, because I'm trying to get these banana trees to grow, because season is only a certain period of time, and I really need it to grow. So, thank you for teaching. Keep sharing, my brother. Keep sharing, my sister. Love y'all, fam. And not just, but Grow family overall. Just keep teaching, y'all. Appreciate it. Much love.